Do you have a key that's stuck down on your piano that doesn't play like it used to? Well, we've got the solution for you. This is how you fix a piano. So easy, a kid could do it. Good job. So, there's the part that's broken, and here's an example of what it looks like when it's broken. You gotta unscrew that one. But then there's that part we gotta remove. And then we have new parts.
And they fix the piano.
And the new parts fix the piano. I don't even know what these parts are called. The piano plastic lifter elbows, snap-on type, set of 12. So we probably bought these on Amazon, I'm not sure. Anyway, you just take this, we had to take the cover off the piano underneath here so you can expose these.
And you use these.
Parts, and you can use a big set of needle nose pliers. You know, what we've been doing is the reason why these are breaking is because the plastic is just old. This is an old piano. It's my wife's grandmother's piano. And those parts are just plastic and they're brittle. The plastic is just aged and it's brittle and breaking easily. So we're slowly replacing it with these new ones as the keys break. So we had two that break. You can see we've replaced a couple of them with the new plastic there. So we're working.
I broke the other one.
Yeah, you broke this one, huh? Because you were pounding the keys. So that's why you don't pound keys on an old piano.
So we can only do this?
Yeah, because that one's stuck. So let's show them how we fix it. This piece that we're just trying to get this, I think it's called an elbow. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
We're getting the elbow, the plastic lifter elbow. So we're removing the old brittle plastic elbow out. And basically, if you have good needle nose pliers, you can kind of just crush that elbow. Kind of coming out in little pieces there. I'm trying to catch those. It's just gross brittle plastic that we'll vacuum up here. There we go. See, I just kind of crushed the plastic with these needle nose pliers to get it off. So this is a metal stick. I don't know what it's called.
It's a metal stick, boys and girls.
It's a metal stick, boys and girls. And here's the elbow.
And I told them to get the elbow off.
Obviously, we don't fix pianos that often, but we had a guy.
But my mom does.
Yeah, she knows how to do it, but she's on the phone, so we're going to make a video while she's on the phone.
Yeah.
And it's hard to grip it, so I'm going to hold this with the pliers and then just twist it on here like we... Looks like the other ones are all twisted on past where the threads are, so I'm going to twist this all the way on to the top of the threads, because I'm assuming that's what you're supposed to do. Again, this is the blind leading the blind. I've never fixed a piano before. Probably will break it. So if you have any doubts about what I'm doing, just get a piano fix repair guy.
Yeah, never listen to my dad, kind of. No, I'm serious. Don't listen to my dad that often.
Don't listen to my dad that often, he says.
Yeah, because I made a big tin foil.
So I got some better pliers that can grip it better, and I'm going to finish twisting this on like it should be here. Yeah, I'm just going to twist it on about the same amount as the other ones are twisted on here. So it's at the right length to where it should be like the other ones. Looks like they're all twisted up all the way past where the threads are. So that looks good. And this one goes up in here. I'm not sure how that goes in there though. We'll have to...
You have to clip it into that little clip right there.
Down here?
Yeah.
How's it in this?
But I think you have to put it in the top first.
Yeah, that's what I'm not sure about. So, pause it. You can see she's trying to put that, there, you got it there, Jenna, that's good. That's where it's supposed to go. It just rests on that little channel of wood right there. And then we can screw it back in. And now she's trying to snap it in the right spot. Don't play the piano yet, buddy, please. need to push it in hard. I wonder if it's easier to snap in place first and then get, oh, did you get it in?
Yeah, I think so. Looks odd.
It does look weird. What's wrong with it? Yeah, something's wrong. Maybe I screwed it in too, maybe I screwed it in too far.
Note. Oh look, this thing is not.
We need to learn how to fix pianos the right way, don't we? Get the piano worse. What did we do here? Oh, maybe I just screwed it in too far. Length on this was too long, so I'm going to thread this up a little bit to kind of match what the other ones look like. And pause it. See the amount of the metal sticking out above the wood piece there? Now it's about the same as those other ones in there, so I think that should work. It was just too long, so we'll put that in again and try it out and see if that worked. It does look better. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay, good. I did scuff up the wire there a little bit when I was screwing it on, but you have to grip it. So you can tell the other ones we fixed, they've kind of scuffed the wire there a little bit too. So anyway, but yeah, that worked. Let's try this other one and get this one fixed. So can you take that one out now?
Which one is it?
Yep, it's that one. Good. So now, need to unscrew that. Use those big pliers. Grab it really good. Is it coming off?
I hope so.
If it's getting looser, if it's getting easier, that means it's coming off. Looks like you're actually going the wrong direction. Try the other direction. Or is it getting tighter when you do it that way? It should be that way. Yeah, that should be lefty-loosey. That should be coming off that direction.
I have to like break it off.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, you might have to. You can vacuum up the pieces again. Here.
Did you get it fixed?
We got one of them fixed. We're making a video on how to do it. Learn from the master.
That's right. And we don't know how to do it.
We're learning as we go. It's not that hard. It just
Pliers, they're brittle.
takes some figuring out. Yeah.
Why did they not chop all the way?
Oh, those are just supposed to be kind of blunt on the end of them there.
Why?
That's just the way the tool is.
One in.
Ow, that was my arm.
Sorry.
Okay.
Didn't look at that.
Yeah. I
Also,
noticed.
Mom.
Yes, no.
You need to sit on your lap.
There you go. That old brittle plastic, probably 100 years old. This is an old piano. Do you know how old this piano is?
1960s.
So this piano was made in the 1960s, so that means it's like 60 years old. It's an old piano. So this plastic on these little arm elbows are getting really brittle and just slowly breaking one by one, and that's how you fix it. Screwing on the new elbow. You got to use some strong pliers to grip it because it gets really hard to twist as it gets tighter on there. You just got to squeeze really hard on those pliers.
It's okay. It's okay.
You don't like when I pull nuts here. It really hurts.
Just gonna put that in from up top here. Get that snapped in. Is it in the right spot up top?
Mm-hmm.
I'll just kind of press that in there hard. How did you get that in? That is... Am I pushing it the right direction? I just don't want to break it.
It's in.
It's in?
I think so.
It looks just like it's not all the way in. I'll try again here. There we go. It has to snap, and now it's in. I held it from the back with my finger. It's kind of the spot right there you can hold on, and then just push really hard, and then it snaps into place. Let's see if that works. Yeah, looking good. Cool. Thanks for your help.
I'm not an expert at this.
And why are you doing it?
I don't know. Fun.
That's how you learn. You sometimes gotta learn by not being an expert yet, huh?
But I do want a piece.
I broke it.
You broke it? Why did you break it?
Stop it.